Skincare is changing faster than ever, from viral ingredients to cutting edge formulations. 2025 is bringing some game changing trends, but which one actually worth your time? Let's find out. Over the years, skincare has evolved beyond just glowing skin. It's about long-term health and nourishment. This year, we are seeing the revolutionary products and treatments taking center stage. So whether you are a skincare enthusiast or just starting with your skincare, these trends are the one which you don't want to miss. Let's dive into the biggest skincare trends of 2025. Number one, multifunctional product. We have talked about skin streaming in the month of December, like how you can streamline your products and simplify your skincare routine with multifunctional products like a moisturizer with SPF, or a sunscreen with moisturizing benefits, or a serum which has multi-actives which will target multiple skin concerns. This is going to be the mainstream of 2025, and I absolutely love this trend because I am a person who cannot put multiple layers on my face. I need something which is very simplified, or a product which has concoctions in this one, so that वो multiple skin concern को target कर सके. I have talked about this Dew Hustle serum, which is a multi-active serum which works effectively on your multiple concerns. And so we need more product like these in our Indian skincare market. Number two, at-home skincare devices. The rise of at-home skincare technology and devices help consumers to achieve that professional level treatments conveniently. Devices like LED mask, microcurrent devices, or facial massagers are becoming integral in daily routine. But I haven't tried LED masks or the facial massagers yet, but yes, I have tried this microcurrent device. This one is from Igaro. This has this cleansing and lifting properties. Let's see whether I see myself using the LED mask in next 2 to 3 months or not. I'm not sure, but yeah, I would love to try them once in my lifetime. Number three, PDRN, which is derived from salmon sperm. It's basically have regeneration power, और आपकी fine lines, wrinkles को smooth करने की power रखता है, because of course it's a DNA, so it helps to repair your skin, regenerate your skin, fine lines, wrinkles को smooth out करने में help करता है. I have also tried this Medicube PDRN sheet mask. इस तरह के बहुत सारे brands are coming up with collagen sheet masks or overnight masks, jelly masks, and all that stuff. I just hope that our Indian brand also come up with such products, not the salmon का DNA, but yes, vegan कुछ alternate ढूंढे जो similar आपको benefits दे सके. जैसे you see पहले snail mucin बहुत ज़्यादा था, then अभी vegan snail mucin आ गया है, snail उसके alternatives आ गए हैं. So I think there are scope that our Indian brands, or I think many other brands, would also come up with something similar to this which is vegan. So yeah, let's just hope for that. Number four, barrier repair. Now it was in 2024 as well, and even that will continue in 2025. Many brands are coming up with skin strengthening products, ceramide based product, because skin health is most important. If you're a person who's a very sensitive skin, eczema prone skin, or a person like me who test multiple skincare products and end up damaging their barrier at least 2 to 3 times a year, for them maintaining a skincare health is really important. So I'm so glad that ceramide का wave बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, but I feel Indian skincare market is still lacking behind. We don't have options for barrier repairing products. Like yes, they are there, but they are majorly focusing on the dry skin. Most of the Cica cream, most of the ceramide based moisturizer have either oils in them, or even they have butters or comedogenic ingredients. Like there is very fewer brands who are coming up with such great innovation, such like this IMD from Dew. Like we need more products like this. We need more formulations which work on the comedone prone people, because ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सिर्फ ड्राई स्किन वाले ही हैं उनको ही बैरियर रिपेयर चाहिए, ऑयली एक्ने प्रोन और कॉमेडॉन प्रोन वालों को बैरियर रिपेयर नहीं चाहिए. I just hope that more Indian brands formulate ceramide based or Cica based products without the oils and butters in them, so that people like me who are comedon prone, they can use those products. Lastly, in 2025, I see skincare goes beyond face with the rising focus on full body care, from body exfoliants to active infused body lotions, body serum. Potent skincare for the body is becoming mainstream. I feel it's very important that we should focus on our bodies as well, because recently I was thinking of myself that my face is glowy, but what about the rest of the body? Like, it's looking dull. So I need to focus on my body equally as I focus on my face, because जब आप अपने फेस को सामने देखते हो तो फेस अलग चमकता है, नेक बाकी की जो बॉडी है वो डल लगती है. So I think this year I also would love to pamper my body as much as I can. Like, I will be using the exfoliants weekly, though I used to do it before, but after I become mom of one and then now mom of two, it gets very difficult that focus on your body. Like, हाथ पैर ये तो मतलब देखने का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है, but still I think our body deserve equal love. So now this year I'm promising myself that I will take care of my body as well. And yeah, that's wrap up the biggest skincare trends of 2025. With so many exciting innovation, it is the perfect time to upgrade your skincare routine and find what works the best for your skin. Let me know in the comment section which trends you are most excited to try out. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of our amazing content. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.